Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with a little quick unboxing. I just got a package in, so I thought I would share it with you guys. This was actually sent to me by BeeBeeCraft, and they sent me this stuff to review and then make stuff with it. So here we are. I'm really excited to get into this and see what we got. I don't remember what I asked them to send me, so this is going to be a surprise for both of us. They also sent me like a coupon code and stuff like that. So the website, the coupon code that they sent me, all of that will be in the description for you guys. So definitely check them out. They had so many cool things. So I'm really excited to like work with them on this and like just see all the cool stuff we have, right? And what we can do. So let's see. Ooh. This is really nice. This is really nice. I'm excited. So I got a packet of little skulls. A lot of little skulls. This is way more than I expected. So, yeah, we're going to have to do something really cool with these. Oh, look at that. They come in their own little box, which is really nice. That means that they're already ready to be stored. But I got a bunch of different colors. So these are fun. I can't wait to use these blues for like a corpse bride thing or something. Maybe, possibly. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. And then we got... Oh, we got little heart charms. Let's see if we can get in there. And you guys can see the little hearts. These are really cute. I'm so excited. You'll notice that I got all like jewelry making stuff because I am currently working on jewelry stuff right now. I'm going to do a Edgar Allan Poe jewelry drop probably at the end of the month. So yeah, I wanted to make some spooky jewelry. And look, we got little anatomical hearts. Oh, the case is broken, but I think that's probably just on the carrier, not on the company. But that's okay. It came with its own little bag too, so like that'll also work. It'll hold the things. So if we could focus, that's brighter. Is that focused? No. That's more focused. So if you can see, little like glazed over anatomical hearts. Those are super cool. We'll get lots of use out of those. I forgot the box is broken. Totally fine. And then here, we got some strands of these really pretty black beads. We got 5 strands. That's way more strands than I anticipated. That's a lot of beads. So look at that. I think these are tourmaline, if I'm remembering. And they're pretty. They're so faceted and beautiful. So I'm excited for that. Looking forward to having some shiny black beads to work with. And then we also got some garnet. And we got a lot of that. Look how many strands this is. That's crazy. And they're long strands, you guys. Like, that's a substantial amount. So I was not, like, expecting that or prepared for that. But look how pretty this is. It's such a pretty color. So, yeah, I'm going to fuss with that in a minute, getting that back in the bag. And then the last thing I got were some new cutting pliers. Because my, like, jewelry pliers, my little jewelry snips are dull. I probably had them for more than a decade, and that is my cat turning off the light as he walks by. So let me just continue to run my professional production unimpeded. Thank you, Smokey. So I got some new jewelry making pliers, some new snips, because mine are busted. And like I said, I've had them for over a decade, and they are, well, they don't really cut without, like, fighting. So I'm excited to have a new set of these. And then it also came with some, free bead, loose bead, some jewelry wire in black, which was perfect for the stuff that I'm doing. And it feels pretty hefty. So yeah, that's a nice little wire. So maybe we'll do some wire wrapped links or something and do some fun things with these when I make my videos. So yeah, that's what I got from BeeBeeCraft. I'm excited to work with it. Excited to work with them. It was really cool to get in contact with them and get some stuff to make for you guys. So yeah, definitely check them out. Like I said, all the relevant information will be linked for you guys down below. And that's gonna be it for me right now. I will pop back here in a little bit, of course, with some more November stuff, and of course, with some more videos making stuff with the stuff we got. So yeah, catch you guys next time. I appreciate your faces. Happy crafting. Bye.